Hello guys, and hope doing well. This project is 1.5 to 5 volt adjustable regulated power supply. Here is the schematic. The project based is on 7805 regulated 5 volt transistor and 431 as voltage adjusting component, like this. Here you can see this is my NEC 5 volt regulator IC. This one is 431 IC. You can use the transistor version also, and this part 50k. If you have 5k is much more better. And here is the output voltage. By tuning the part, the frequency is changing with shunt transistor and is working till 5.2 volts. Very good. Here is the project. Just try to change this 50k part with 5k for the exact value of the output that you want, and also you can use the trimmer for much more better alignment. That's it. Very nice project, very easy, and the regulator temperature is very nice. Thanks for watching. I will make more videos about 431. Goodbye.